up. There it is. Welcome home, Bitcoin Truth Seekers. It is Tuesday, March 17th, 2020. It's 8:11 a.m. here in the Arizona desert. Welcome to Bitcoin Daily View. Today, a green day in the market. Bitcoin is up. It's working on getting over the 5,300 psychological level. That is a good thing. We can look at the global markets. There's still a mix of green and red. The world is still crazy looking at the world indices. Almost 2 billion in volume, almost 1 billion of that on Binance, of course. Looking at sentiment on Binance, it's 36% long, 63% shorts. I bet those shorts are going to get wrecked today. With that said, let's look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average first. It is a slight green candle, moving sideways. The Russell 2000, how's that doing? Green candle, moving sideways. And the SPX, the S&P 500, green candle, moving sideways. So nothing spectacular out of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the RUT, or the S&P this morning, but they're not dumping at least. They're kind of sideways. They're deciding what they want to do. So the big indices here in America are opening, well, sideways, stable, good to go. Daily for Bitcoin, we are beginning to get some sideways daily action. That is really nice. We're still well below the 200 moving average. That kind of sucks, but the MACD is beginning to close positive. So ultimately on the daily, we're starting to see some sideways support. I like it. Looking at a top-down fib, top-down from when we recently went below the 200 moving average to our lowest low. As you can see, we're making a nice groove sideways, and we really are working off of this 236 fib line at 5,039. As you can see, we are beginning to use it as support. We've been above and below it, but at the moment, it does appear to be support. Good thing. We have beautiful tons of VPVR volume right around 5,300. So Bitcoin, in the midst of global uncertainty, as you can see here from the world indices, yes, a lot of global uncertainty going on right now. It has, I think, found a bottom, and it's making a nice deep groove. It's got a fib level, which is supporting it, building that VPVR volume. We're working on getting above that 5,300 level. It's a psychological level. Well, 5K is a psychological level, and 53 is a psychological level, and this 382 fib line, if I have drawn it correctly, these things are always a bit of up for conjecture, up for discussion. Fib lines are always a sort of a matter of opinion if you think about it. But I think our next challenge is going to be getting above 5832, around 5800 or 5850. That's going to be our next level of support to get through. And as you can see, Bitcoin's already challenged it a few times recently, but got rejected. I think next time, well, we're either going to make it or get rejected. We definitely have a bit of VPVR volume around 6,000. So let's see how this is going to play out. I think we are on the up and up. If nothing else, we're definitely finding support at a fib line of 236 from top down, and we are definitely making a nice deep groove where we are at. Double bottom recently on the 4-hour, bump. That's a good thing. And also, as you can see, the 4 hours getting some sideways action. As you can see, the daily is getting some sideways action. So with that said, looking at the 30-minute, I know this is a short time frame, but do note on the 30-minute, we are right now challenging, and we're over that 200 moving average on a 30-minute. That isn't bad. A lot of people do watch this. It's a big deal. So Bitcoin challenging and getting above, looking positive on the 30-minute 200 moving average. On the 45, we are definitely not there yet. We'd have to get to about 5,700, 5,750. And on the hourly, we are definitely not there yet either. We'd have to get to around, 6,300 to get above it on the hourly. But Bitcoin definitely is showing some upward movement this morning. 15-minute chart looks great. Definitely have challenged, and we are over the 200 moving average there. And as you can see also on the 30-minute chart, we are above it. So these are short time frames, I know, but they definitely denote direction and market sentiment, and Bitcoin's looking strong. I think we're going to find support at around 5,300, if not higher, today, if all goes well. I'm a member of Blockchain Education. Check out the link in the description. Watch the video. Come join the team. Let's make some money in 2020. Obstacles can't stop you. Weather can't stop you. Heartbreak can't stop you. Failure cannot stop you. Only you can stop you. Bitcoin matters. This is the peaceful revolution. I'm glad you're here, and I'll see you tomorrow.